up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are taking a look at a few fun finds from Amazon, like this tea set. I got it for $9.99 and the listing says that it is 1/6 scale. See? Right there. Let's open it up. It has flocked packaging. It kind of reminds me of velvet. But is it really 1/6 scale? Will it look great with the dolls? I gotta know. We are getting a large platter. It feels like ceramic or maybe porcelain. It's about 2 3/4 inches wide. Here it is with a doll. It does have a little bit of weight to it. If you drop it, it could break. So you want to make sure your dolls have strong arms. Here is one of the teacups. It has a little flower decal on the front and it has a gold painted rim and handle. It's about 5/8 of an inch tall and it looks like a good size for the dolls. However, this doll's hands can't really fit the handle, but this hand style can kind of hold it. We get 2 teacups, 2 saucers with the floral print. Here it is with the teacup, a sugar bowl with a top that can be removed. There's a little matching creamer, and here's the teapot. The top is removable. There is no hole on the end, so you can't pour anything through it. But I think it's a really good size for the dolls. Here is the whole set together out of the box. The dishes are a little thick and have some wonky spots. But overall, I don't think it's too bad for $9.99. And I did see a couple of different printed designs. The packaging on this one isn't fuzzy if that matters to you, but for the most part, all the dishes seem pretty much the same as the last set. This tea set has a little strawberry print with leaves and flowers, and here's one with a vivid rose print. The first one also had a rose, but it also has yellow and lavender flowers. When comparing the two, the red rose teapot has a thinner spout and handle. However, the gold paint does appear to be tarnishing a little. But I do think the print is nice. I'm curious, can we paint them? I bought a second one so we could experiment. I'm going to use a little nail polish and paint a thin coat right on top. Allow it to dry. Then go back and do touch-ups and add a second coat if needed to give the cups a new look. I painted the saucer to match and yeah, it works. Not as neat as I wanted with some of the larger pieces, but not too bad. I saw this 1/12 scale rice cooker on Amazon. There were 2 colors, white and green. I got the green for $10.09. Yes, the listing did say 1/12 scale, so there is a possibility that it might be too small for our 1/6 scale world. But I'm gonna try it anyway. It arrived, and it looks like it might totally work. We get a little rice scooper. It does have some texture, which is kind of cool. Here is the rice cooker. It's a very light green. The top does come off. It's clear. It has a silver edge and a little air hole, which is kind of cool. It fits perfectly on top. The rice cooker has handles on the sides. There are some details in the front. It looks like we have a red light and an orange light, which is pretty cool. And then there's little feet on the bottom. I think it looks pretty good in our little kitchen. Our kitchen is pretty small. We don't have a lot of space, but I am loving these miniature appliances. And yes, I do know that Make It Mini has appliances. I ordered some, I'm just waiting for them to arrive. I think the rice cooker matches some of my other mini appliances. It totally does. That's awesome. I put the rice cooker on top of the refrigerator because we're short on space. I bought this dollhouse office chair on Amazon. It was $11 and some change. However, I've seen prices vary up to like $17. I was excited about this chair because it looked similar to the ones Barbie had in her house in Barbie the movie. I even bought the one with the pink cushion. However, I don't think this chair is a better look for this dollhouse over the one I currently have. but it is a pretty decent chair. It can even move, and I think it comes in a couple of different colors. I just bought it in pink because when I bought it, I was kind of crazy about Barbie the movie. I wanted everything pink. And now I have a slightly different color palette. And of course I bought two. But that's okay. We're just gonna put these in my pink dollhouse. Speaking of Barbie the movie inspired merchandise, has anyone else been seeing these all over Amazon? Dolls for $13 with Barbie the movie inspired looks. Or fashion packs with several different outfits for $7.99. Dupes can be triggering and tempting for some collectors, but I'm curious, so let's take a look. I picked up 3 dolls. They were around $12 to $13 each. Here's the pink gingham dress. The doll itself does have some smudges on its face, but it is not pixelated. But whoa. The ears are pierced. The doll is articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, the hip, and the knee. However, the body does seem to be a little fragile to me. But what about the clothes? This doll comes with a stretchy pearl necklace, a pink fabric dress with sheer ribbon straps. There's a buckle detail at the waist. The fabric goes all the way around and it velcros in the back. The velcro is pretty thick and might need to be reinforced. We get a hat that looks very similar to Barbie hats I've seen, a pink bracelet, and chunky pink shoes. How does the dress look on a made-to-move Barbie? It's not terrible. It's not giving Barbie signature quality, but it's not giving dollar store either. Let's check out the outfits from the other 2 dolls. Oh, this one has an interesting smell. The disco outfit comes with gold shoes that look like they overflowed a little in the mold. This outfit does have kind of a chemical smell. I don't enjoy it, but I don't dislike the outfit. Now, the top is a little loose and the Velcro is pretty thick, but this could be a fun party look perfect for New Year's. I bought these back in November, but I do still see them on Amazon. However, the prices have been fluctuating. This outfit is 3 separate pieces and comes with silver shoes. These look like they're in pretty decent condition. I am seeing some gaps in the stitching and raw edges. I think the top could use a little tailoring. Let's see how it looks when you place the skirt on top. It's still a little loose to me, and I would want to take it in. But with the jacket on, it's not that noticeable. Is $13.99 worth it? Well, that's up to you. These do come with a doll, and if it was at $9.99, I think I wouldn't have had a problem. Now, this pack was $7.99, and it doesn't come with a doll. However, this one does say that it is currently unavailable on Amazon, but I see similar ones around $9.99. We do get some accessories, but I'm here for the clothes. We are getting the pastel outfit again. The print is a little smaller, the fabric is different, and the design is different. Here's the one from the fashion pack on a classic made-to-move Barbie body. The waistband is smaller on this side and larger on that one, but it's made of a stretchy fabric and might be able to fit other dolls, like a curvy made-to-move Barbie body. Yes, I put a Bratz on a curvy Barbie. And honestly, even though the waistband is a little lopsided, I think I like this dress better than the one that came with the doll. It does come with a hat, but I don't think I'm going to use it. And here is the disco outfit. The top fits a little better. There is no smell. The pants are boot cut rather than straight leg. However, the pants do dip down a little in the back, and I think they could be taken in just a little. But I think I like this outfit better than the other one as well. We get a pink western outfit. It does have printed details. It fits okay. I do think the top is a little awkward at the neckline, and the pants are kind of giving Barbie the movie costume, like the dolls have their own spirit Halloween. There are outfits for Ken. There are printed details on the top. I want him to wear the shirt tucked in, but I'm having difficulty closing the pants in the back. The pants have a large gold buckle attached in the front. but you could probably dress this up by just adding some fringe in the front and some faux buttons. Here's Ken in denim. The pants fit, but we're not really getting a lot of detail with this. However, it might be fun to customize it. It's pretty much a blank canvas. Here's Ken with the disco jumpsuit look. The pants are kind of loose at the top. There are printed details, including a giant zipper, but the top and the bottom are two separate pieces. That Velcro in the back. I think we could use these for some background characters, but at $7.99 to even $9.99, I would totally get this fashion pack over the inspired looks that come with the dolls. Even if I'm only getting like 2 outfits out of it, because that's still like around $5 a piece? Or 4 if you can get them at the lower price. I got this fashion pack on Amazon as well. I bought it back in November and it currently has a price of $9.99. So that's like $2.50 per outfit. That's a pretty long sweater and overall shorts. The sweater fits pretty good. I did have to use a piece of plastic to get her hands through the sleeves, but I think we could totally use them as a sweater dress. But it looks like they want us to pair the sweater with the overalls. It's a little bulky for me, but I do like that the overalls have pockets. We have seen these overalls on Amazon before, and they fit pretty good. Some have thicker straps, but I think I really like the sweaters by themselves. Here's a black and white sweater. It fits great. This red and white sweater could be very festive. And this yellow and blue sweater has a turtleneck. And we get 4 pairs of overall shorts in different denim. 2 have thin straps and 2 have thick straps. I bought this set back in November for $12.99. It's currently priced at $14.99. We're getting 3 complete outfits with a sweater dress, a little faux brooch that says love and is glued on. We get a matching hat, long socks, and white shoes. The sweater velcros in the back, and this outfit wasn't too difficult to place on the doll. We have it in gray, cream, and brown. So we're paying about $5 per outfit, which I don't think is too bad. Out of all of the finds today, I like these. I need to get around to painting the top of the teapot and the sugar bowl, and I really like the rice cooker. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some Amazon fun finds. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.